In this question, mention the following FDs hold true for the relational schema R, V, W, X, Y, Z, and FD set are given. V determine W, VW determine X, Y determine Vx, and Y determine Z. Which of the following is the irreducible equivalent for the set of FDs? So in this question, ask about the minimal cover, or you know beta what are the steps are used to find the minimal cover. Step number 1 is what? Split the FD such that RHS contain single attribute. In step number 1 we will split the FD in which RHS contain single attribute. In step number 2 what we do my dear student, we find the redundant attribute. अपन क्या करेंगे? एक्स्ट्रा एट्रीब्यूट्स को फाइंड करेंगे. और स्टेप नंबर 3 में अपन रिडंडेंट एफडीज को फाइंड करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट विल राइट हियर माय डियर the data. FDs are mentioned. V determine W, V determine W, VW determine X, and Y determine Vx. This is the data, and Y determine Z. Okay, only 4 FDs are given. V determine W, VW determine X, Y determine Vx, and Y determine Z, my dear. Now we will apply the step number 1. What is the step number 1? Split the FD such that RHS contains single attribute. Split the FDs such that RHS stand for right hand side attribute. RHS contain right hand side, RHS stand for RHS contain single attribute, my dear. RHS contain single attribute. So here when you trying to write, then what happen? V determine W, VW determine X, and only here you can split. Y determine V, Y determine X, and Y determine Z, my dear. Y determine Z. Now we will check for step number 2. Find the redundant, yeah, you can say extra attribute on LHS left hand side and delete them. My dear. So here you can see where is the extra attribute here. VW determine X. Here either V is extra or W is extra. When V is extra? V is extra if W plus closure of W contain V. Are you getting my point? When you take the closure of W, you are getting V, then you can say V is extra. V is extra. And when the W is extra? W is extra if when you take the closure of V that contain W, my dear. That contain W. Now here we will check. We take the closure of first of all W. We'll take the closure of W, my dear, by the given FD set. When you take the closure of W, you are getting only W. Mean to say V is not extra attribute. V is not extra attribute. Now when we take the closure of V, my dear, what we are getting? We are getting VW, VW, and you are getting blah blah also, more also, but आपको क्या मिल रहा है? W मिल रहा है. मीन टू से W को आप V से डिटरमाइन कर सकते हो. मीन टू से वी कैन से W is extra attribute, my dear. W is extra attribute. So what we do in VW determine X, what we do, my dear student, क्या करेंगे अपन? इधर अपन W को डिलीट कर देंगे, रिमूव कर देंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग इन दिस, वी डिटरमाइन W, we determine X, y determine v, y determine x, and y determine z. Now we will follow the step third, find the redundant FD. Find the redundant FD. And delete them from FD set. Delete them from FD set. Or you have more than one minimal cover also, but here no need to check about the multiple minimal cover. So how we check, my dear? You write each and every FD. What is the actual procedure, my dear? I am telling the actual procedure. When you write all FDs, let us assume आपको check करना है V tends to W is extra or not. So what we do, my dear? Just forget this FD and take a closure in all the remaining FDs. So when you take the closure of V in all remaining FDs, what we are getting? Vx. Forget this one. Take a closure of V in all others. तो आपको आएगा Vx. Not getting W, so it is not a extra FD. It is required. Now here take a closure of V, my dear. When you take the closure of V, what we are getting? VW, it is again required. Y closure, forget this one. YXZ, that's all. YXZ, so V is required. V is required, my dear. Why say V is required? Now when we take the closure of Y here, what happened, my dear student? Y, V, Z, and V determine W, and V determine X also. So here, my dear student, you can see you are getting X with the help of all other remaining FDs. You can give the number like 1, 2, 3, FD number 3, FD number 4, FD number 5. So you can see here you are getting X, my dear. So we can say this is the extra FD. You can delete this FD. You can delete this FD, my dear. You can delete this FD. Now take the closure of Y for checking the FD number 5 is extra or not. When you take the closure of Y, V, W, X. You are not getting Z. So it is also required. So what we are getting minimal cover? What we are getting minimal cover, my dear student? So we are getting minimal cover या minimal set. We determine W, we determine X, Y determine V, and Y determine Z, my dear. We determine W and V determine X, Y determine V, and Y determine Z. So here V determine W, V determine X, Y determine W. Yes, A is the correct answer for this question, my dear. A is the correct answer. Hope so you get it. Thank you, everyone.